Hello and welcome back to my another video. It's me Towhid in front of you. Hope that all are doing great. Alhamdulillah, I'm doing great by the grace of Almighty Allah. So before I start the video, I thought that I should make some video for my well-wisher, those who are waiting for my new videos. So dear friends and family, this high time to make video, this high time to learn English. So what about your English? Please let me know first, and then I will start the video. I would like to start the video. So let's get started. So today's topic is very specific and very actually, what can I say, very significant. Those who are English learner, those who are beginner, and those kind of people I have seen in my life, they know each and everything. Those kind of things actually we need for learning English, we need for developing our English language, to upgrade our English language. They know each and everything. They know grammar, they know how to make sentences, everything they know, but they can't speak English. Why? What is the actual problem, brother, you're facing every day? When you try to speak English, you are stucking. Why you can't speak English, brother? Because you do not practice as much as you need to develop your English speaking skill. So you have to practice. And how many hours I practice, brother? Do you know? I never ever count how many hours I practice every day. I just focus on myself. I just focus on my improvement. I never ever focus other people. How I can improve my English, how I can develop my English level, how I can build my future. This is my intention. I never ever think about other people. Some people criticize me, some people ignore me, some people hate me. I don't care about it. So, dear brothers and sisters, if you want to achieve something from your life, you have to hard work. You have to go through actually hard work. I did lots of hard work, brother. By the way, my topic is how you can develop your English speaking skill. Dear brothers, you know the meaning. I can go, I will go, you know it's everything. But do you know how can you speak at a time affirmative, negative, interrogative? You have to speak. I go, I don't go, do I go? At a time you have to speak. You have to practice all the time. And how many hours I practice? I never ever count these things. I just focus on myself, brother. You have to focus on yourself. Just on yourself. Never look back. Just focus on yourself. And you practice just 30 minutes, 15 minutes, but your dream is so weak, but you do not hard work as much as you need for build up your future. This is the thing we are doing every day. Every single day we are doing these things. We're scrolling, and we just watch video on Facebook, on YouTube. You have to improve your English by yourself. You can motivate you. No one can motivate you. No one can teach you. If you want, you can change everything. You can achieve everything. This is the thing I try to understand you. Please listen carefully, brother. I learn 1 or 2 hours, and I do practice 8 or 9 hours. This is the thing I try to understand you. You have to practice a lot. Without practice, nothing is possible. How can I speak so faster than you actually? You can say, brother, how are you? How about you? I will go to market. That's enough. Then you stop. You have to speak effortlessly. You have to speak effortlessly. You have to speak unstoppable. Never stop. Never stop. While you're making a sentence, never stop. Just speak effortlessly. And this is the thing I try to understand you. You should learn 1 or 2 hours. Furthermore, you should practice 8 or 9 hours. And this is how every English learner doing every day. You have to follow this kind of things. Rather than it's not possible to learn English. Dear brothers and sisters, I hope you got my point. So if you got my point, please let me know. And what kind of video do you want? Please let me know and see you some another video. And if you watch my video from YouTube, please consider to subscribing my channel and see you some another video. All the best. Tata.